So a bit of an update on where we are now with this. We literally joined the two together just using some screws just so we could get it accurate, so we could shape the corners. We haven't yet decided whether we're going to round these off or not, just to put the T-bar in on. But what we have done is we've started to drill in the pilot holes ready for assembly, and so make sure the pilot holes are symmetrical on each side. And we've also tried to draw in some of the bits where we think the wood's going to be going into here, so we know where these are. So although this is angled, the actual part that we're cutting is actually straight, so the side bit will make the profile look straight, but we're actually cutting these so they're straight. We've got the back pieces ready to go, and you can see we've countersunk them. So that's the stage we're at now. So the next stage is we're going to assemble it together before we consider rounding the corners off onto these. And when we say assemble it together, we just need a few of the basic pieces in just to get the measurements so we can print the wrap. So we'll need to know the exact sizes of, for example, the keyboard console, and the exact size of how wide we're printing things on the printer. So the next stage will be to assemble the parts, or some of the parts, so we get the actual shell to work the measurements off for that. Right, so second stage now, as you can see, we've got it together pretty much just on the front. So things that we've been checking, we've decided to put these at the angles, but these obviously to be straight because it has to be ergonomics. So as far as ergonomics go, that's exactly at the right height to play. The base that we've done, we've attached together, and we've decided we was going to put these at 90 degrees, so it was absolutely spot on with the wood. So we know that's completely square. From there, we're doing it from there, and obviously square with the floor. And that's the stage that we're at now. So the middle bit is where all the components are going to go from here. We've got the top part on. If we just come around from the back, we've got the holes pre-drilled and countersunk ready to go. So the back's going to go in first, which is going to be this part. And then once we put the back in, there's only the top to go in, and then we're going to be measuring the sides, the bit where the speaker goes down here, and it's ready for the wrap. So we've got the measurements really for the wrap, which is what we need it to be for today. So we're pretty much there with this part. So we've just got the two more panels to put on, and that'll be us for this part, ready to start on the wrapping.